Afternoon guys, it's James from Advanced In-Car Tech. Today we are sat in the very latest Mercedes Sprinter platform's 2019 model. It features the new 7-inch touchscreen. It's the MBUX model and it looks very similar to the Mercedes styling now, with the volume up down cursor, and you've got the touchscreen. So you've got CarPlay, you've got DAB, you've got Bluetooth, you've got all the mod cons, and I'll just turn it on and you'll see that sort of familiar screen or operating system that you're going to get in all of them now, rolling out across the range. It does really look clean and just really nice. So this particular chap has come to us because he wants the reversing camera. We're in a long wheelbase Sprinter van, and we've done a high level brake light, and the camera is all built in, so you can see in a minute as soon as I turn it on. Now this is the first in its class because we haven't just done a reversing camera, we've gone a little step further. We've actually given the customer moving guidelines. Now moving guidelines, as you can see, yes, they are superimposed. Let me just turn the rear buzzer off so that doesn't annoy everybody. So you've got look safe to move, you've got moving guidelines. Those moving guidelines can be switched on or off at the time of installation during the programming, but it's quite a nice idea because at the point of you getting back into your van, you can see whether your steering wheel is perfectly your wheels are perfectly left or right. So right now the steering wheel, it looks to me like it's the wheels are dead straight, but it's actually off to one side, which makes sense as to why to have these moving guidelines. Now what we can do is I can just reverse up. This is set the handbrake off. A beautifully clear image from the high level brake light camera, and that's all built in. So you've got nice high, you can see as far back as about 10 meters, which is ideal, and you can also see the reversing step here, so you could reverse up to within a deck of playing cards up to whatever you're reversing into, which is exactly what, say, the courier drivers want out of this type of camera. So let's just pull forward. Okay, let's just pop it back into reverse. Turn off the alarm. You can't hear it, but there's a horrible loud alarm. And you're going to see immediately, as soon as we put it into reverse, instantaneous switch over to a nice clean picture, and as soon as we take it out of reverse, instant flick back over to the main screen of the radio system. So let's just take it out, put it back in, and we've got a nice clean image overlay for the moving guidelines, which again will just show you if I am just to go, I'm heading in that direction, and you can see the van moving, and then pop it back in. Let's go back into straight, and okay, so there it is. It's a 2019 Mercedes Sprinter long wheelbase high level brake light with the moving guidelines interface. You don't need to go for this, but this is the all bells and whistles. This is the latest bit of kit out there that interacts with your van to give you that sort of real Mercedes feel and look about it. And this is Advanced In-Car Tech. If you've got one of these, then please get in touch with us, and the website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. And thanks for watching.